Are you thinking about buying a new home? While they may seem perfect at first glance, there are some disadvantages you should be aware of too. Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers from 17 years. Here are some common drawbacks of buying a new home. Before you leap into buying a new home, let me share some of the challenges we have faced. Higher cost. New homes often come with a premium price tag. You might end up paying more for upgrades, landscaping, and other features that are not included in the base price. Construction delays. Construction delays are common with few new builders, which can push back your move-in date and cause frustration. Quality concerns. Despite being brand new, new homes can have quality issues like poor workmanship, defects, or materials that don't meet expectations. Limited warranties. While new homes typically come with warranties, they may not cover everything, leaving you responsible for repairs and maintenance cost. HOA restrictions. If your new home is part of a homeowners association, you will have to adhere to the rules and regulations, which can restrict your freedom as a homeowner. Resale value concerns. New homes may not appreciate as quickly as older homes in established neighborhoods, potentially affecting your resale value down the line. Lack of established community. It takes time for a new neighborhood to develop a sense of community and amenities. So, you might miss out on the charm and convenience of established areas. So, before you sign on the dotted line for that new home, think about the pros and cons carefully. It is essential to understand the potential disadvantages to make an informed decision. Reach out to us and we are here to guide you. Our experiences and knowledge on buying the new homes, it is always advantageous to have a realtor in supporting you and we will advocate you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. Have a great day.